po. And maraming salamat po kay Sir Darrell Manisan, of course. Thank you so much. And of course, sa ating bubble show mamaya, yan ang grupo po ng isa po sa ipinagmamalaki ng Lourdes Haina. We have Mr. Jen Pasco. And of course, nakikinig po sa ating venue, we have Grand Pavilion. And everybody, let's sing happy birthday song again to our birthday celebrant, Puli!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Again, everybody! And 3, 2, blow out the candle. Ayun! Yan, thank you so much po. And gusto ko po ulit tawagin si Pastor para po i-bless yung mga pagkain po natin sa booking table. And I'd like to request na po tayo, magsitayo po tayo na. Everybody, magsitayo po tayo. Pastor?